Alright YouTube, well I unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. It's been approximately 2 weeks since we brought you guys an update on our 24-inch by 18-inch cubiculture garden planter here in our front yard next to our front porch. As you recall from our previous videos, we have early peas and we also have cucumbers planted in that planter. And a lot has changed YouTube since the last time we brought you an update on this video. These early peas and these cucumbers have gone completely wild in this planter, and we're going to show you guys right now exactly what they're looking like after 2 more weeks of growth in this planter. Hang tight. Alright YouTube, we're back. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at exactly what has happened with our early peas and our cucumbers since we brought you our last video update. Check this out YouTube. Can you see that? Wow. These cucumbers and early peas have completely gone wild in this planter, and everything is in bloom, YouTube. We have so many cucumbers currently on this plant. They're everywhere, down below, up above, larger ones, smaller ones, you can see here. We have so many cucumbers in various stages of growth here on our plants, and we're very excited about that. YouTube, they're just everywhere, and we've actually taken steps to assure that our cucumbers, our early peas, and all of our other blooming crops actually get pollinated. The wind itself does a tremendous job in pollination. Of course, we know butterflies, honeybees, hummingbirds, etc. They do a great job in pollinating our crops in our garden. But we took an extra step here to assure this year, as we do every year, that our what we plant in our garden planters actually get pollinated. And we're going to show you what we did right now to assure an even spreading of pollen throughout our gardens here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. Hang tight. All right, YouTube. So what we have here is your everyday household box fan. This box fan is directed at our garden planters all the way along on the front side of our house. Box fans serve several purposes. First of all, we water from both above and below our garden planters every day. And a lot of people are saying, "Oh no, don't water from above. It's the worst thing to do, and don't do it. You'll get all types of disease and mold and all of that on your crops." Not true. If you take a few precautionary measures to assure that it doesn't happen. The purpose of this box fan being here and blowing through our garden is this. It actually blows a breeze through our garden throughout the day, every day. After we water our crops from above in the morning, we turn on this box fan, and what it does is it dries both the top side of our leaves in our garden and our garden planters here. That assures that things like powdery mold and other types of funguses and things that can develop in your planters and on your plants doesn't happen. Mold and all that stuff cannot grow on dry leaves. So having this fan here blowing through our gardens assures that every time we water from above and below, both the top sides of our plants and the leaves of our plants in our gardens get dried, and the bottom sides get dried. Another purpose that this box fan serves is to dry the mulch that's surrounding our plants here in our planters. This box fan blowing this breeze all day long on this mulch assures that no fungus and bacteria and mold can grow down there in our mulch. As you can see right now, we watered this planter thoroughly earlier today, but this mulch is completely dried out here because this fan has been blowing through our garden all day. I know that this is not feasible for everybody, but if you are someone who has your plants on your deck, your front porch, your back porch, etc., this is quite a feasible thing for you to do. And as you can see, we do water from above and below every morning, and we do not have mold or mildew or powdery anything on the leaves of our plants. They're doing quite fantastic here. As I mentioned earlier in the video, we have cucumbers, YouTube. And not only do we have cucumbers in abundance, we also have early peas, YouTube. Check that out. Our early peas are actually in bloom, and they're dropping peas all along here. As you can see, everything's in bloom, and they're just doing so well. We have peas here dropping down. They're dropping down everywhere from all of these plants, and these plants can continuously climb higher along our trellis here. If you can notice, they are climbing a lot higher. The cucumbers are beginning to dominate the trellis, but that's no thing. We keep them kind of pressed back on the inside of the trellis for the most part to allow sunshine to get to our early peas here and allow them space to actually grow up the front side of this trellis. So everything's doing quite well here in our planter here, YouTube. We are really excited about the amount of cucumbers we currently have and the way our early peas are actually putting on peas here in our garden. And we'll bring you guys back here in another 2 weeks with another update on this planter, to show you that in fact our cucumbers and our early peas did get pollinated via butterflies, honeybees, and this fan method.